So friends, welcome back after uh, it is not fair to say after vacation because we are still in the kind of vacation, but somehow welcome back. We are back again to the next chapter, chapter 7. But before we start chapter 7, I should mention that the part of exercise, the exercise solution of the chapter 6 is yet to be uploaded. So આપણે એને અપલોડ કરી દઈશું, બટ એક બે વિડીયોનું કામ છે જરા, તો એક સિંગલ વિડીયોમાં આઈ થિંક એ ક્લિયર થઈ જશે. તો આની સાથે જ હું જરા એક ક્લિયર કરાવી દઈશ. પણ જ્યારે આજે સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનું છે, સો આઈ થોટ that new chapter would do fine because we are just about introduction and somehow the chapter 7 is important અને આપણા સિલેબસમાં સૌથી વધારે જેનું વેઇટેજ હોય એવા બે ચેપ્ટરોમાં એક ચેપ્ટર 7 છે. ओके, सो आई थॉट कि न्यू बिगनिंग किया जाए और न्यू बिगनिंग में न्यू चैप्टर का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया जाए. मीनवाइल मैं जो प्रीवियस चैप्टर था उसका एक्सरसाइज का पार्ट अपलोड कर दूंगा. सो फ्रेंड्स, in the chapter 7 it says alternating current, and as we know that some part of each chapter is removed. तो अल्टरनेटिंग करंट का मोस्टली जो पार्ट है हमें पढ़ना ही है. ओनली द रिमूव्ड पार्ट इज the analytical solution. This is removed, okay, and you will find during our study that it is somewhat mathematical steps, okay. They do not require much of our practice, so just that part is removed. And another is power and power factor. The that was important part, but since it is removed we will not discuss this one. So the um, consequences is that you will find less MCQ related this, because this part particular power and power factor, this was very important, okay. But since it is removed, we will find some benefit in competitive exams and board exams though. And related example 7.7 and so on, few examples are also removed, okay. So let me tick what part is removed, so we can take care while teaching analytical solution. This part is removed, okay. This is little kind of mathematical solution, this one. And next I told you power and power factor, okay. 7.7, this part is also removed, power and power factor, okay. So 7.7, the whole removed part, 7.7 whole removed. Next one is up to this is all removed. Example 7.7, this is also removed, okay, but this one was easy, so don't bother. 7.8, in 7.8 example, the C part and D part is removed, that is only C. They said C and D, the power dissipated in the circuit, this one is removed and this one is removed, okay. And 7.9 also removed, 7.9 whole is removed, okay. This one is removed. The next is, okay, so this is what removed in the illustration examples. And in exercise we will discuss while we discuss about the exercise. So this is all about the removed part or the reduced part. Now let back to the chapter Chapter 7, alternating current. You know the alternating. Alternating means changing between two substitutes to points. Alternating. When it is says alternating current, then the first thought is this is called alternating. Okay, the changing thing. Okay, the wavy sinusoidal thing. So there are two type of current. If we draw a graph for current versus time, suppose this is a graph for current versus time. So let's say on the y-axis it is current, and on a x-axis it is time or the angle or whatever you say, or omega t. So for this graph, for if it is DC, then you know the name is direct current. It is just like the battery we find, the AA battery, AAA battery, that battery we use in calculators, clocks. Okay, they provide DC current, the direct current. That current does not change with time. So if you draw a graph for current versus time, then the graph will be constant. Okay, so the constant graph will be like this. So the current will be constant like this. Okay, the value of the current will not change with respect to time. So if we say the current is 2 milliampere, then will remain 2 milliampere for the entire rest of time. So it is called the direct current. Okay, and as you see, in the beginning, when most of the towns in the United States were electrified, ટાઉનમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી પ્રોવાઈડ કરવામાં આવી. વખતે શરૂઆતમાં ડીસી કરંટ હતો, and later that the name, the guy with the name Nikola Tesla. Okay, so this is Yugoslavian scientist that came to USA with his new idea. He told that it is better to provide AC current with few benefits, advantages over DC. So alternating current is called sinusoidal current. So it has some advantages. When we say it is alternating, then the value will be changed like this. Okay, so here is 2 milliampere, say here is 2 milliampere, here is say 3 milliampere, for example. Okay, and here is say 1 milliampere, for example. Okay, so in that case the alternating current will change while I would say it will increase up to 3 milliampere for an example, then it will decrease to 2 milliampere, then it will change the polarity up to 1 milliampere, then it will bounce between 3 milliampere and 1 milliampere for our example. But simply say here alternating current, here is 0 milliampere. Okay, and here is 1 milliampere, and below here is the minus 1 milliampere. This will be more easier to understand. So alternating current, this will not alternating current for our, but DC with changing value. For my, for a good understanding, wait, okay, so for good understanding, choose this example. Current is initially 0 milliampere. Okay, and as time passes, current increase to 1 milliampere and then decreases to 0 again, and now the polarity is changed, and in reverse polarity it increased to minus 1 milliampere, then decreased to 0, then the polarity is again changed, then it increases to 1 milliampere and then decreases to 0. So this is the fine example of what called alternating current. Okay, this is not alternating current, here I write on, this one is alternating current, but this one is called DC current. Okay, this is also DC current. So what is to understand in AC current? So in AC current you have two wires. Okay, and this between two wire, the current and the voltage changes with the time. Like in this wire for an instance become positive. Okay, so up to current increases in 1 milliampere and then 0, then this wire become positive, and this is with the previous one it is 0 or the negative. Then for that this wire the current is up to -1. Why it is minus? Because the polarity is changed. So to understand what kind of current is this, so you will find in the previous chapter, in the chapter 6. In the chapter 6 we discussed AC generator. You know that AC generator. So that generator, AC generator, provide us AC current. Okay, and so AC voltage. Now the next and the obvious question is, why AC and why not DC? So that was pretty much convinced by Nikola Tesla. Okay, if you choose AC over the DC, then you have fewer advantages. Advantages like that heat loss is less in AC. We will study in the chapter. The heat loss is pretty much less in case of AC over the DC. AC can travel longer. AC current can travel longer. Okay, when you choose DC, then the I would say joule heating will be pretty much higher, and in AC the joule heating will be less. So we can travel and provide up to longer distance. Okay, we can convert AC in DC easily. If we have AC, then we can convert into DC easily. That is another good advantages. And the most convenient advantages is that AC is easy to produce. We can easily produce using AC generator. We discussed in the previous chapter. So that is what is in introduction in the chapter 7. Let's see. We have so far considered direct current sources. અહીંયા આગળ જે આપણે ડિસ્કશન કરી હતી, આપણે જ્યારે પણ બેટરી લેતા ને, એટલે બેટરીમાં આ રીતે ડીસી બેટરી આ રીતે ઇન્ડિકેટ કરતા. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ ડીસી સોર્સ ઓર ડીસી બેટરી. ઓકે, તો અત્યાર સુધી જે ડિસ્કશન કરી હતી એમાં આપણે ડીસીની જ વાત કરેલી, એસીને આપણે ધ્યાનમાં લીધો નહોતો. એન્ડ ધ સર્કિટ વિથ ધ ડીસી સોર્સિસ up to this point. Okay, these currents do not change direction with time, but voltage and current that vary with time are very common. The electric main supply in our homes, you know what is electric main supply? The supply from the UGVCL or PGVCL or DGVCL or GB simply, that provide in our home, that is called electric mains. Okay, remember this term electric mains because we have to write many time in our theory. Electric main supply in our home and offices is a voltage that varies like sine function with time. So as I told you that AC current changes with the time like sine function or cos function. Such voltage is called alternating voltage or AC voltage, and the current driven by it is circuit is called alternating current, AC current. Okay, today most of the electrical devices we use require AC voltage. Big devices like AC, fan, refrigerator, they all run with the AC. This is mainly because most of the electric energy sold by power companies is transmitted and distributed at alternating current. તો અહીંયા આગળ આપણે જીબી ને વગેરે જે કંપનીઝ છે એ આપણને અલ્ટરનેટિંગ કરંટ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે. The main reason for the preferring use of AC over the DC is that AC voltage can be easily and efficiently converted from one voltage to other by means of transformer. You know what is transformer? I show you. Okay, when we type transformer, they will show us the movie Transformer. Transformer. See, they always show the movie Transformer device. So you know this one, we call it DP. Okay, in our societies, villages, town. So this is example of transformer. Another is this one is small transformer. You will find in TV or batteries, torch or mobile charger. Okay, The mobile charger transformer is small like this one. Okay, so this is smaller transformer. Then you will find in LEDs, LED torch, or a mobile charger. So these one are big transformer. They operate on kilovolts. This one, and these one are small transformer. They are used in small appliances. Okay. So further, electrical energy can also be transmitted economically over long distance. So remember, these are the advantages. So this MCQ once asked in some, I don't remember exactly, but some exam. So this is another example. They travel over long distances. AC circuits exhibit characteristics which are exploited to many devices of daily use. For example, whenever we turn our radio to favorite station, we are taking advantage of special property of AC circuit. Okay, we will study this in the next part. One of many that you will study in this chapter. Okay, so this man named Nicholas Tesla, he convinced that AC will be more finer than the DC. Okay, and they Nikola Tesla, and the Thomas Alva Edison, the inventor of bulb, both are in opposite view or in opposite opinion to use AC or DC. So there is a fine movie released in 2019 called Current War. Current War. Okay, so until we finish our chapter, if you have time, and I suppose you will have time, you will find this movie somewhere in the internet, Current War, in English version. So must see the chapter, the movie Current War, because this is most related to our chapter. So this is fine movie. I have enjoyed that. And in this movie, you will find that in the past, in the 19th century, uh, there was some kind of disagreement over using DC or AC. But this man, Nikola Tesla, he convinced them that the AC will be more finer. So, in our next part, we will start the AC voltage applied to resistor, but we will start somewhere near this. And as I told you that the exercise part will be uploaded within 2 days. Okay, so stay tuned.